Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Opera GX panic button. So first step you need to do is to open Opera GX and click on this gear icon of settings. So once you are in your settings, you simply need to search for the early bird here. Once you search, you simply need to scroll down. Here you can see early bird, click on that. Make sure that is enabled. Okay. Then you need to come here again and search for panic. Scroll down and here you can see panic button. Click on that and you need to enable that. So currently it is by default F12, and once you click on that, these websites will be open. So if you want to open any specific website, you simply need to delete that, click on add and add your specific website. And once you click on F12, that website will be open by clicking on F12 button. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you know how to use Opera GX panic button. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.